Hey sis, kya haal hai? So what is new in the finance business now? I'm hearing that mutual funds are better than fixed deposits in terms of your financial goals, meeting your financial needs. So shall I start moving my funds from a normal fixed deposits to mutual funds?
Hey Neha, all well? I'm happy that you're thinking out of fixed deposits because fixed deposits can destroy your income over the long term run because of inflation, which is so high. But instead of mutual funds, you should consider index funds.
Acha, what is index funds now? Why does this finance business has to be so confusing, man? So tell me all about index funds now. I have no idea.
Index funds invest in indexes like BSC 30 or Nifty 50. They do not choose stocks actively, but they follow the index. Also, the returns over in the index funds are better than mutual funds. But just look at the performance. Look at this chart which I'm sharing with you. Here you can see that if you had invested 10 lakhs money at 8% interest rate, but look at the difference in the expense ratios. Yes, index funds are much more cheaper when compared to mutual funds when it comes to their fees. They charge as low as 0.05%, whereas for mutual funds it can go higher to 2.3 or 2.5%. So this can have an overall impact on your returns in the long run. So look at this chart for reference. So that is why I'm advising you to move your funds towards index funds. They are much better.
Yeah. Hey, इतने बढ़िया होते हैं index funds. अच्छा, I had no idea. तो फिर सारी दुनिया खाली म्यूचुअल फंड्स की भक्त क्यों हो रही है और सिर्फ म्यूचुअल फंड्स में पैसे क्यों डाल रही है?
Yes, what can we do? This is the Indian market where we stay, and there is a lot of misinformation in personal finance business. That's why I've started this new channel. And also, there is so much mis-selling around. Also, beware of funds like ULIPs and 81 bonds. These are just fraud in my view because of the high fees that they charge.
Hey, that is indeed a good performance. Thanks for sharing the details, sis. So now shall I start saving my funds into an index funds on a monthly basis, like Nifty 50 index funds?
Yes, sure, you should. Take care, sis.